Grabe, I can't believe you're 60 already. Talagang age is just a number. I personally thank God for your life kasi you have been serving Him this long. I know na you could have work somewhere else na high-paying job, pero you have dedicated yourself sa ministry. May the Lord bless your efforts and may you have a long, healthy, and happy life ahead of you. So enjoy your senior citizen life and God bless you. Stay cool and warm as you are right now. Bye.
Hello, Jeruel. Happy birthday. Today, you have reached another milestone in your lifetime. And may the Lord be glorified in all of this. Our prayer is that the Lord will bless you more and provide you with many more birthdays, and the Lord will use you in a mighty way, and He will fill you more with the knowledge of His will. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Jerwell. Keep loving and serving the Lord. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Jerwell, Pastor Jerwell. I thank God for your life. I thank God that you gave your time and your talent para alagaan ang mga kapatiran. And I pray na sana you stay true and faithful to your calling. At kung may mga pagkakataon man na siyempre napapagod ka, nadi-discourage ka, may you be reminded sa Colossians 3 about it's about the slaves in relation to their masters. Be reminded na you're serving God and not people, and it is God who will reward you. May karugtong pa yun, pero mag-stop na lang tayo sa reward. God bless you sa iyong ministry. May you have more blessed years to come.
Isang maligaya at mapagpalang kaarawan sa iyo, Pastor Jeruel. In behalf of our MFECC family here in General Tino Nueva Ecija, ay bumabati sa iyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan at kalakip ang aming pagpapasalamat sa Diyos sa iyong buhay, sa mga sakripisyo, sa iyong mga pagpupursige, pagsisikap na pinagkatiwala sa iyo ng ating Panginoon na patuloy na mapatibay, mapalago ang ating iglesia at mapaglingkuran ng ating Panginoon. Purihin ang ating Panginoon sa iyong buhay at dumadalangin kami na patuloy kang bigyan pa ng extended na kalakasan, katatagan at magandang kalusugan. At syempre masarap ang naglilingkod sa ating Panginoon ng maganda yung ating tikas ng pangangatawan, di ba? So, maligayang karawan sa iyo, Pastor Jerwell. Pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon at patuloy na bigyan ka pa niya ng karunungan, ng katalinuhan sa pangangalaga at pangunguna sa ating iglesia na pinagkatiwala ng ating Panginoon upang atin silang maihanda sa nalalapit na pagbabalik ng ating Panginoon. Again, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo at pagpalain ka patuloy ng ating Panginoon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastor G. Because now that you are an official senior citizen, I'll just sing a song for you. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pastor Jerwell. Happy birthday to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings, Pastor Jerwell. God's blessings to you. Well, Pastor G, as you approach the fourth quarter of your life, just be reminded that it is not the number of years in your life, but the life in your years. Okay. Have a good one, and blessings be upon you always. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Pastor Joel! We can't believe that you're 60 now. Seriously. But don't worry, that also says something about our age.
And we are so grateful that you have become one of our pastors in the Philippines. Thank you so much po.
And nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Panginoon that we were able to work together and serve together there. And it's my prayer that the Lord will continue to sustain you, make His grace abound toward you, and empower you so that you will be faithful in your God-given mandate. May the Lord continue to bless you and your ministry. Joseph has a verse for you, RJ.
The God of my strength, in whom I will trust, my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold and my refuge, my Savior, He saved me from violence. 2 Samuel 22:3.
Happy birthday again, RJ. We love you. God bless you.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Pastor Jerwell. Matutupad mo na yung pangarap mo, magiging senior ka na. Dalangin ko na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, yung malakas na pangangatawan, upang magamit ka pa niya sa mga ministries na pinagkatiwala niya sa iyo, lalo na being head pastor ng ating church, yung pagbibisita sa mga mentoring, pagdadalaw-dalaw sa mga churches, sa mga members, ay patuloy mong magawa. So, prayer ko sa iyo, good health, at karunungan para sa marami pang mga spiritual learnings ang maibahagi mo sa amin bilang mga leaders, bilang mga pastors, tsaka bilang mga members. Prayer ko din na lagi kang mag-iingat sa iyong pagdadrive, lalo na kapag dumadalaw ka rito sa Nueva Ecija. Ayan. Happy 60th birthday and happy senior citizen, Pastor D. God bless sa iyo, gayon din sa iyong family. Labang, God bless you.